Welcome to the channel that encourages you to be doing stuff today. We are at Walt Disney World's Hollywood Studios in Orlando, Florida, and about to go on Star Tours. The adventure continues. You are going to see this ride in its entirety from start to finish. But before we begin, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and hit that notification button so you get all the latest content. This ride is a 3D motion simulator. It opened in 2011 to replace the original 1989 ride. The storyline of this ride bridges the original and the prequel trilogies, and it's set between Revenge of the Sith and A New Hope. Did you know that this ride features over 1,500 possible story combinations? The ride randomly selects from over 20 different segments, including the openings, destinations, and holographic messages, which means you'll have a new storyline every time. In about 30 seconds, I'll put on the 3D glasses. So let's sit back and enjoy this very unique ride.
Star Tours, 1401, you are cleared for departure.
1401? That's us. We can't take off. The captain isn't on board.
Auto takeoff sequence initiated.
Excuse me, you don't seem to understand. I am not the captain. I am C-3PO.
1401, cleared for takeoff. Contact departure on frequency 429.
Wait! R2-D2, I am not programmed to fly these things. Now just turn us around this instant before we get into trouble. I knew it.
Stop right there.
Don't shoot.
I know you have a spy on board.
I'm afraid there's been a terrible mistake.
They're a spy and a traitor to the First Order.
I've never seen that human before.
Okay. Be a fool. You are no match for the power of the dark side.
Someone could get hurt! Where are we going? We just passed the end of the moon. Oh, look out! How to fix those engines immediately. You know I can't swim. And neither can you. Hang on! What a ghastly place. Go away, beastly thing. Go away! Out of sails! The transmission.
I am Lando Calrissian with the Resistance.
General Calrissian. Nice to see a familiar face.
Well, it's good to see you too. And you too, R2. Listen, the First Order is rallying its forces. We need your help. Rendezvous with the coordinates I'm transmitting. Good luck.
R2, I really don't think we should rush into This is suicide! We'll be smashed to pieces! In the event we don't make it, I want you to know that you have been the most wonderful passengers. Pull up, R2! Pull up!
All pilots, this is it.
You're right, R2. This mission cannot fail. Activate the laser cannons.
Watch it, Red 9. You've got 2 ties on your tail.
They're on me tight. I can't shake them.
R2, the odds of successfully taking out 2 TIE fighters at once is approximately better than I thought. Well done.
All right, squad. Start the attack. Remember, aim for the cannon.
What are you waiting for? Fire!
We did it! Thanks for your help, Star Tours.
It has been an honor. We'll be safe here, number 2. I hope. just beginning. What are you looking at? Go away!
Please remain seated until the captain has opened the exit doors. You may then unlatch your safety restraints by pressing the release button on your left. Make sure you have all your personal belongings as you exit. Thank you for flying Star Tours. Bye-bye.
And that is the end of Star Tours The Adventures Continue. We hope you enjoyed riding along with C-3PO. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and hit that notification button so you get more content like this. Until next time, thank you for watching.